Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Also, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. All right, you guys. I've got something for the kids that we're reviewing today. Well, this is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm reviewing. We've got the Play-Doh Operation game. Well, it's not really a game, but it's, you guys remember the Operation game back in the day, the board game?
Most wholeheartedly. Oh, I just made that infinitely more difficult.
Exactly. You have. Oh.
Well, Play-Doh has made an operation game out of Play-Doh, basically, where you can play the game and it's Play-Doh at the same time. We're gonna unbox this thing. Got this from my granddaughter for a birthday. So we're gonna I meant to actually do it when it was first brand new, but she opened it, but it still is an unboxing video. It's by Hasbro, you know, they own Play-Doh. So let's get into it. Look at all the things you can do. Basically, with this right here, they've got different molds inside of here for the Play-Doh, and you're gonna have the man, and you can turn your molds into the different pieces that go inside of the guy's body. So let's open this baby up and see what we got. All right, inside this baby, we should have, right here, we should have the main piece, which is the man. We should have a stethoscope, some scissors, some Play-Doh, some more scissors, and a little mold set. So let's get this baby cracking. So we've got one Play-Doh here. Yeah, there's the little man right there. So we're gonna put him there. We've got some more pieces here. Here's the mold set, one of them there. One set of scissors. Another set of scissors, some more Play-Doh here. Green, brown. We've got white, we've got yellow. This thing comes with a lot of Play-Doh, so that's what I like about it, you guys. Right here. What else do we have here? Oh yeah, here's the stethoscope. Put that there. We've got some more molds here. We've got some more colors. All of this, guys, look at this. This is crazy. Look how much Play-Doh you get with this. Look at all of this Play-Doh you get with this inside this one package. We got some more Play-Doh. Is that it? Alright. That's all the items that we have inside this kit. Let me get that here. Man. So yeah, I used to love playing the game Operation back in the day when you used to have that. So basically what you're going to do, this is your roller. As you can see, like on the box, remember the Operation game, this basically is the person's stomach. And you're supposed to have all the things inside the stomach, like the liver, the heart, the intestine, the ribs, the fingers, everything. So I'm just going to show you guys just an example of what you would do. Let's say this color right here is closer to the skin color. So let me move a couple of things out the way. Look, put a little stethoscope on her. Put a little stethoscope on this baby. So the kids can have fun. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys, this is for kids. This is for kids 3+, 3 years of age and up. So this is another twist on the old board game. So basically what you would do, like this color here, this is the skin color. And I never knew an easy way to get this stuff out of here. So let's say like this is the skin color, as you can see. They got 2 of these because you're going to need to. So you color the skin, and then what you do is you take the roller. Let's just see. You knead this pretty good. Now you'll take this roller here and you roll this out like so. Hey, you know, that's why they say it's for kids. You need this out like you do making a cake or something. You need that out real good. And then now, as you can see, this basically would go here, and this would be like one part of the stomach. Same thing with the other one. You'll bring it out here. Hey, remind me of my days when I was a kid. And, oh, I didn't even tell you guys. I got this, I think we picked this up at 5 and Below. You can pick this up right at 5 and Below for $5. But if 5 and Below doesn't have it, I will have a link below where you can get it off of Amazon. Same thing, you just take that, you take the little roller, you roll this baby out like so. Roll it, roll, 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 roll your boat, roll. Uh-oh, I might get copyright. My singing is so good. Roll, roll, roll your boat on the stream, the stream. Oh man. Oh look, okay. This is supposed to be the other half of the stomach. So basically, you do it like that. I'm not gonna play with the whole thing, but let's say that's your stomach. You see how that is? So you take this and you fold this up. Now you got your different pieces here. You got your bones, your ribs. Here go a bone, here go a heart. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just take a little piece off the stomach. Hey, I'm not a certified doctor, so. But you would take this, let's say like the heart. You'll put that in there. Make the mold. There's a heart. You pull your pieces around the heart. And then you'll place the different pieces inside there, just like that. And then what you use, you know, the kids can play with their stethoscope, all this. But basically, they'll just pretend that this doesn't make any sound or anything like the game, you know. But they'll take the little tweezers here, and then, they take the little tweezers, and then they can take out each piece just like that. And then when they finish the operation, you know, you can fold back the stomach. So the kids can have a good little thing. And then what this will do, you guys, you first introduce the little kids to this. And then once they get interested in this right here, you actually take them back and show them the actual Operation board game.
Butterflies in stomach.
I think this game is actually impossible. Or not.
Yeah.
So that way they'll enjoy the board game even more because it makes sounds and stuff. So show them this. This is the Play-Doh set, the Operation Play-Doh set. And I'm looking at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different Play-Dohs come inside the box. If I'm not mistaken, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, actually 10. Here's the other. So it comes, so that alone makes it worth it. Now, if I'm not mistaken, like I say, this is 10 Play-Dohs that come in here. And then you got the Operation game. You got all this stuff right inside here. So make sure you guys, if you don't have a find below, because I think that's where it was. If not, I definitely have a link to Amazon so you can pick this up. And you can have a good old time with it, with the kids, your grandkids. So, I just want to give you guys a quick review for the kids. This is the Play-Doh Operation set. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm getting ready to get back to making me something. Yeah, I got it. I got his stomach right here. Oh, look. I got to put his ribs, a bone right here. I got some scissors right here. Oh, wait a minute. He might even have a boogie in his nose. But hey, you guys, I'm out of here. This is Jay. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys on the next review.